So as you can tell from the name of the video, I am going to be making a crazy plane game. I have some very cool ideas that will make the gameplay really fun. If you have any ideas, write them down in the comments. I can put them in my game to make it more fun. The game will be available to download on phone, and it will be a multiplayer game so you can play with friends. So once it's finished, you can try by yourself. So we'll start by creating a new project and adjusting some settings. First we need to make a plane physics, and that's a huge problem because I'm not really good at physics, so yeah, that's a problem. I tried to make some airplane physics by myself, but yeah, no. So I did some research on Google and on YouTube, and we put together some simple airplane physics. I was using a tutorial from Y485, the link is down below, and also some other documentation. We are also going to create some simple map to fly around with our plane. So the map is finished, yeah, and here we are with some simple airplane physics. I think it's working pretty well. I'll quickly add some easy particles to make it look more enjoyable, and here's the result. So now we just need some plane models because... So I choke up the blender and work on some models. I'm not really handy when it comes to blendering models, but here I am with some results. I also added flaps and ailerons to every wing except for the top one, because biplanes don't have flaps and ailerons on the higher wing, as you can see on the picture. I will also add a camera to the pilot seat so you can switch between two views and have more realistic perspective. But now let's add some rotations to the propeller. We'll accomplish that by using some basic code that can be written wrong because it's just one line of simple code that is meant to rotate one object. Only dumbass will make a mistake. Anyways, I fixed it and it's working just fine. Then we will add particles to our propeller because I'm not really happy with that black propeller here. I'm really happy with this result. It took me some time, but it's working just fine. Now, we need some speed controller to control our plane speed. Since it's a mobile game, we need to add a lever so the player can actually slow down and speed up. With that, I'm going to create a joystick to control the rotations, so we'll be able to do some tricks in the future. I also decided to create some important buttons like shoot button, aim button, and ability button. Now to actually shoot other players, we need a machine gun. So yeah, Blender. And ta-da! We now officially have the most unrealistic and ugliest machine gun ever. Now let's at least make it functional, and with some little code we can now shoot. Now for the last part of the video, let's make a normal map and not just geometric shapes around. I'm not going to bother you with the process of making my map, so here's the final result. I think it's looking pretty good. It took me some time, like, yeah, just a little bit. Anyways, that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.